Yeah.
Is that Caden that cousin's here?
Caden? Yeah.
I don't go to cousin's class then.
You don't?
No, I'm going to class class.
Who's your best friend, Abby?
I'm going to class class.
Yeah. Who's your best friend?
Cousin.
Kezzy. Do you have a boyfriend at nursery?
No.
No? Why?
Because I'm not their best friend.
You're not their best friends?
Well, my girls don't like boys.
Girls don't like boys. Why not?
Because we always put them in the shed.
You put them in the shed? Are they smelly? Huh?
Are they?
Yeah.
Boys are smelly.
Are they? That's after show you.
Then I got a poo that's smelly.
Yeah, and girls.
Girls don't like poo.
These girls do things. Everybody does.
Girls are not smelly.
Poo. Yes, they are.
Tell Daddy he smells.
Who smells?
Daddy
They smell
smells.
nice though, don't they?
No, they smell.
That smells
Who
nice.
smells of poo?
Oh, thank you. That's not very nice. That's not very nice. Do you know Santa, yeah, is a man. He's a boy, yeah. If you tell him he smells, I don't think Little Miss Sunshine is going to get any presents from Santa this year.
They don't get mince pie for Father Christmas.
You're going to give him a mince pie, are you?
For Father Christmas.
Uh-huh.
Because he loves those.
Yeah. You like your ice cream? Why are you eating ice cream? It's snowing outside. I only asked.
No comment.
No comment.
Okay.
Abby, do you love Daddy? No comment.
I don't love Mummy.
You don't love Mummy. You love Daddy. Because you're Daddy's girl, yeah?
Not Mummy.